Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to install Google Chrome browser in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to apps on your Google Smart TV. Then make sure you scroll down and then make sure you navigate to downloader. Or better still, you can come to the search for apps right here. Click on here and make sure you search for downloader. So search for downloader. Then click on search. So you are going to see so many downloader app right here that you can simply use right here. Here, I'm going to use this particular one right here, downloader. Then what we want to do here is a fast and secure download experience. Downloader is powerful tool that offer free ad and secure downloading experience. Downloads file quickly from web. What we want to do here is to make sure we click on install right here. So after a successful installation of the app, next thing we want to do is to click on open right here. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we come down below right here and we make sure we click on. So what we want to do is to make sure we confirm their terms of agreement and privacy use right here. So scroll down and then make sure you navigate to I confirm that I have read. So I confirm that I have read and agreed to the privacy policy, terms of use and disclaimer. Click on OK, then navigate to complete right here. Click on completed. Then it's going to take you right here. Here you can search anything from this particular downloader right here. Okay. So what we want to do now is to so just click on OK from the top right here, and you will be taken to this particular environment right here. You can use this particular downloader to get anything from Google, YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, Tweet, and TikTok. Okay, now let's head over to Google right here. Click on Google. Then you are here. Now you can browse on Google. You can search anything on Google from this particular sections right here. And for you to do that, just come to the search app right here. Navigate to search right here. And then search whatever you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to search for get child. So let's say I want to search for get child. So you can bring out and type in whatever you want to type right here with your keyboard. Get child. So get child day 2025. So I will simply type in day. Then I'll click on search. Then you have the result right here. So you can scroll down and begin to read. These are get child day results in Google search. So when you come down below right here, you have about 10 places of Google search. Okay, you can come to the top right here and search by images. And for you to search by images, make sure you navigate to images sections right here. You see a lot of graphics. So click on images. You see a lot of graphics related content that relates to Get Child 2025. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use Google Browse or Google Chrome in your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.